Actually, my phone. Look, chickens. Look, chicken. Guck mal, wo kan het vastgeland? But before all this, it was so much better. You know, the button was just up this.
ये आखरे हैं हमारे इलाके में, इसको आखरे बोलते हैं और यहाँ पे इसको बैरी बोलते हैं, ब्लैक बैरी। और ये आप देखें, ये कच्चे भी हैं इधर, ये वाला कच्चा है। और ये जो पौधा है ना, ये बिल्कुल, ये देखें, ये आखरे के जिस तरह वहाँ पे होते हैं, इसी तरह के।
As we go home, and
Yeah,
We don't have some.
it's lot of berry. Yeah, you can take some.
yeah, but you have to wash it after.
Okay, in our language, in Padi language, we call the akhri.
Acha.
Okay,
We have in
guys, you can tell me that what you call in your
Padi,
language in
Padi.
Padi. What you call? We call the akhri, but you can tell me what you
look butterfly.
you call.
Shoot this butterfly.
Okay, I get the kacha one. Some kachas, I get the kacha.
Don't get the red one. Red ones are no good.
Is no good.
Yeah, they're not ready.
Look, show
It's
the
not ready.
butterfly.
Okay, it's very beautiful butterfly right here. I make the picture for that one.
Very beautiful. Very boy. Don't forget the pasta.
Okay, please tell me in comments what you call in our area, because it's in Kashmir. It's lot of like that berries, but it's little smaller than that, but it's almost similar.